Breaking news, my wonderful people. The forgery case. Courts has okayed the order seeking Tinubu's investigation and has given IGP the go-ahead to investigate Ashiwaju Ahmed Bola Tinubu. Court don't say, okay, yeah, I'm going to investigate him. Okay? This was how the same Festus Keyamu, yes, one of his presidential, campaign aide now, yeah, was the one who fought Tinubu very seriously back in 1999 when he said he has, he has, evidences to prove that Tinubu is not qualified to be Nigerian's president. In fact, he took Tinubu to the High Court, Appeal Court, and Supreme Court. And at the end of the day, the Supreme Court, like they are, when they want to be mago, migi, they were very careful to say, okay, let the House of Assembly determine Tinubu's case, that they will not say a word in it. Then the House of Assembly came on board and said, that they've discharged and acquainted him. And that's how he became a governor of Lagos State. At this 20 years, more than 20 years later, the same Festus Keyamo has come up now to tell Nigerians that, Tinubu, oh, what a fantastic man. Oh, Tinubu, dear Tinubu. And Nigerians are wondering and looking, how did we get here? Why so much lies and deceit? Welcome to Nigeria. These are some of the things that happen. And every single one of us must pay great, great, great attention. We must not take it with levity. We must become very, very focused and determined if we want to see this country forge ahead and move on. Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up, like us, share, subscribe. Let's understand what is happening as court okays that Tinubu should be investigated. Breaking news. Court okays order seeking Tinubu's investigation, orders the IGP to carry on with the investigation. Tinubu St. Patrick Aloy Primary School never existed, plaintiffs tell court. A group under the Alliance of the Incorporated Trustees of Advocacy for Social Rights Achievement Development Initiative, ASRADI, on Wednesday approached the Federal High Court in Abuja, alleging that the St. Paul Aroa Primary School, Lagos, which the presidential candidate of the All Progressive Congress, Bola Ahmed Tinubu, claimed to have attended, was never in existence. The group told the court that the application was necessitated by the repeated refusal by the IGP of police to investigate a petition it brought against the APC presidential candidate. The applicant urged that the non-disclosure of Tinubu in the INEC Form CF001 of the qualifications he got in respect of primary school he attended, after stating that he attended St. Paul Aroa Children's Home School Ibadan from 1958 to 1964, was a gap that needed to be investigated, as the said school never existed. More so, he told the court that due to the action and inactions of the police over the matter, Tinubu is walking free without answering to the past deeds and contesting for the highest seats in politics in the country, the presidency of Nigeria, with dubious educational qualification claim. The group, among other things, prayed the court to declare that by virtue of Section 215, subsection 1, subsection A and 2 of the Constitution, and Selection 71, 31, 32 of the Nigerian Police Act 2020, and IGP is under both constitutional and statutory obligation to investigate Tinubu for the offense of perjury contained in the INEC Form CF001 sworn by him on December the 20th, 1999, regarding his educational qualification. He put something there in, and now he's saying there is nothing for him to put there. It equally sought an order of mandatory comparing the respondent to investigate the fillings made by Tinubu, and where he found the culprit to refer to the Attorney General of the Federation for Prosecution. In his ruling, Justice Olajunwon granted the applicant the leave to file for an order of mandatory judiciary remedy in the form of order from the court to any government subsidiary court, corporation, or public authority to do or forbid from doing some specific acts which the body is obligated under law to do. The issue against IGP, even as he adjourned the matter till February 16 for the hearing, it's very obvious that Nigerians need to understand what is going on. So the matter has been adjourned till February 16, few days to the election. And they said, okay, that Tinubu can be investigated. But between you and I, there'll be no investigation going on. Nigeria, who they follow law and order, who they follow things the way things should be. Between you and I, who they follow those things. Welcome to Nigeria, where people who do wrong walk scot-free. In case you are not aware, they go scot-free. Okay, they go scot-free. Why some people, they punish them for mangi. Some other people, walk scot-free whenever they do anything. It is the country called Nigeria. And so many issues are on ground, and every single one of us must continue to understand that unless something changes drastically, this country, we need a change of government. We need something fresh. We just need something different to help this country get on the right track. We can't continue like this. No way. We can't continue like this. There are people there who do not want this country to be better. There are people who are doing everything, humanly speaking, possible to put the country, in a devastating position. And every single one of us are responsible to ensure that we do not allow them have a field day. We must not allow them have a field day, because these people do not care about you and I. All they really and truly care about is themselves. And so we must ensure that we do not allow such to continue. Everything that is needed for us to be able to get the best of country, we're at that junction where we could make corrections in some of those areas, in some of those places, and ensure that at the end of the day, this country becomes, a better place for each and every one of us. We can't continue like this. No, we can't. We just can't continue like this. There are real serious matter, real serious issues going on here. And Nigerians, every time we keep quiet when wrong things are going on and we say nothing, we give it opportunity to thrive. We give it opportunity to continue to breed, and we give it opportunity to continue to excel. So if we want things to change, yes, if we want things to be transformed, then we need to begin to act, and act immediately. Remember, you have a voice. Okay, remember, you have a voice, and every single one of us must ensure we do the right thing. Please leave us a comment. Don't forget to like us, share, subscribe. God bless. Have a lovely and a fantastic day. From us, it's bye for now. Bye-bye.